Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to enable YouTube video on Google site, or how you can add the YouTube video on Google site slide. So here I am already on my Google slide, so you have to open your Google slide with the email ID. Now select the slide where you want to insert the YouTube video. Go to the insert, and here you have to click on videos. In videos, just click on this arrow and you will come here like search, and come to into the search, and you can search here YouTube video. So you have to search YouTube videos by name, or you can also copy paste the link from here. Okay, so this is for all website like YouTube website, any website. So here you have to paste the YouTube URL. Okay, this is for only YouTube URL. You can also copy paste YouTube URL. I just show you. If I go to YouTube, so let me open the YouTube first. Then if I want to insert this, okay, if I want to insert this video on slides. So there is another way. You can search by name as I show you, or also you can go to the share and you can copy the link, and here you can paste, and this video will become okay, and you can insert it. So after insert you can do few settings. Okay, when you select this you know video, you can resize by holding the any corner, and you can just resize the video, and here you can make it autoplay. Okay, automatic play means anybody come on this slide, the video will be play automatically. You can also insert a start time and in time. There is a mute audio setting also, resize position, drop shadow. Okay, there is a few setting also you can see, and you can make changes here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.